Good mathematical morning to you. This is Mr. Jeffries. We're here again for geometry. I know y'all are all super pumped to be here today. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Do you already have a question, or are you just like, okay, you're working on your Taylor Swift thing? Okay, good deal. All right, so by the way, I do know that have heard that Taylor Swift and the Kelsey guy are engaged. All I know is that the album that comes out after they divorce is going to be horrible. So, I mean, it's going to be insufferable. It's going to have some really catchy tunes, but it's going to, have a "I hate man" speech all through it. Okay. So, anywho, nobody. All right. So, number one. All right. That is a little rectangle square type thing. That means these two are complementary. Okay, so and the erasing starts massively across the room. Okay, that means that this plus this equals this. All right, so now please remember, there's only one set of equal signs in an equation. We are still having people that's putting like 4. I don't understand. I modeled that yesterday. All right. So we combine like terms. So let's see, 8x and 3x would give us 11x. Okay. Whoops, wrong color. All right. So 5 and 8 would give us 13. All right, equals 90. So then we would subtract 13, and then we get something. I need my calculator. It's too early to do math in my head. I'm hearing 77 from everybody. I guess they were telling me the answer, so I quit singing. So, all right, so x equals 7. Now, for angle 1, I'm singing, I'm in a store and I'm singing, in a store and I'm singing. All right, so this is 8 times 7 plus 5, 61. All right, so if this is 61 degrees, okay, we could plug this in for this next one, or we could subtract 61 from 90, awesome, and we would get the answer. Okay, this one should be 29 degrees. All right. I can't tell if you're looking at me like you're confused or you're trying to like conversate with other people. No, not looking at me? Okay, good. Now, so that's number 1. All right. By the way, I made the check on learning first before I made y'all's practice. So guess what your check on learning is going to look like? Well, you're only going to have two of them though. Yay! All right. Number 2. All right. 2 ways you could say this. How many of y'all said linear pair? Okay. How many of y'all said supplementary? Okay, remember, you can use your notes from the previous day. That's it, really encouraged. Yeah, straight is not really one of our things. Right wasn't correct either. So either one of these would have been okay because a linear pair has to be supplementary. All right, that means that this plus this equals this. So All right. So let's see. Ooh, 6, and this would be 20x. Negative 20. Ooh, the plot thickens. All right. So now we got it trimmed down to a 2-step. Let me see you 1 2-step. Rock, stop. Everybody's ready to go. All right. I may have a little bit of extra caffeine today. You never know. All right. So, did you get 10 for X? Okay, good. Hopefully. All right. Now, this would be 6 times 10 plus 13. 60 plus 13. All right. 73 degrees. All right. Now, to find this one, we could plug it in, or we could actually, subtract it. Yes, we can hear you whistle. For the person that whistled twice to make sure we heard you. I did put 30 instead of 33. Womp womp. Thought somebody was whistling at me because I was good looking. All right, so this would be 107 degrees, correct? Okay. Super. See, for the 8 people that's not here today, they are missing the in-class audience. So I hope for those 8 people, shout out to you, because you better be watching this. I'm gonna shave your eyebrows. All right. Now, some people did really good on number 1, number 2, and then you got to number 3, and that's when the wheels fell off. Okay. I like this problem. I like it a lot. Okay. I like it a lot. And because it actually, you have 2 different things going on. All right. So this is, the angle type that we're looking at here, this is vertical. Okay. If you said vertical and supplementary, because technically, we're finding 2 angles, that's all right. But vertical angles are congruent. All right, so we don't have to combine like terms. Red Rover's in 3x on over. So 3x minus 19 equals 32. All right, for some odd reason, this is where people started to go awry and started getting decimal points. And I hope we figured out why we started getting decimal points. If not, you and I need to kind of look over it and go from there. All right, so x should be what? 17. Okay, now I have to, this is where it gets really tricky. I have to find these angles first before I can find angle 1. So for angle 2, 3x plus 32, well, 3 times 17 plus 32. All right, so 3 times 17 plus 32. Boop. All right, 83. All right, if angle 2 is 83 degrees, then angle 1 should be 180 minus 83 degrees, which is 97. I have no problem. I think we're getting better with solving these equations. I'm really kind of pushing this hard, especially since I'm hearing from Algebra 1 that they're hitting these equations hard as first thing. for those that's going to Algebra 1 next year, so I'm going to make sure that you're amply prepared. Okay? All right. Yes. So, any questions? No? Okay. What's been the hardest part of all these? Do y'all... Is it solving them? It's setting them up, right? That's the main part of any problem. Math, science, English, relationships, anything else is setting up the problem. Okay? Now, all right, so this one, you don't have to say what it is because it says BD bisects this. All right, remember with the angle bisector, that means that this angle is congruent to this angle, which should mean, you know, 4x minus 45. All right. I don't know where I got 3x. I'm over here just singing, having a good time, and then my brain says, let's do something weird. That's probably what happens in the hallways. All right, so I guess my brain was already telling this answer. Wow, and then I saw 45, wrote 14. Just can't have nothing. Did it again. Solving the math problems because I can. All right, so this x should be 20. All right, now this as for ABD, which is this angle right here. Okay, so that should be, you know, 20 plus 15, which is 35 degrees. All right, now this right here is asking for all of it. So this should be 35 times 2, which is 70 degrees. Okay? So if you have an angle bisector on your check on learning, that's what you do. All right. So for those watching around the world, don't forget, good stuff, good things. Don't hit like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that kind of stuff. Right? Yeah. I mean, hey, this channel's gonna blow up. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna start making so much money I won't even have to teach anymore. It'd be amazing. All right, good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.